it's so critical. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you guys how to play this awesome song that was requested, State Champs, Critical. So yeah, if you guys have other song requests, whether they're punk or rock or country or classic rock or whatever, just put them in the comments and let me know, and I'll do my best to get to them. Yeah, this is a great song. I had never heard it until now, but I love it. And if you don't do it right, it's gonna make your arm real tired. So I'm gonna show you a couple things about the strumming that will make it a little bit easier for you. Also, please, if you enjoy it, please hit subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. And if you really enjoy it, please hit like so that more people will see it, because that's how YouTube works. So, all right, let's get into it. The song's in standard tuning. There's no capo. You're going to start with A. Okay, A. You're going to do it twice. So that's what I would do. I would just do one down strum, and then down, up, down, so down, up, down, okay? So you do down, down, up, down, and then you're gonna do A, E, A, E. You're gonna do that twice, and then after the second E, you're gonna do C sharp, which is, you're basically just doing a power chord on the 4th and 6th frets on the A, D, and G strings, okay? So you're gonna do C sharp, B, and I'm just doing a power chord B, right? So just slide down to B, which is the same A, D, and G strings, but just on the 2nd and 4th frets, okay? All right, so B, then you do A, E, C sharp, B, okay? B, and then you're gonna go into A again. All right, now I'm gonna show you the strumming pattern for that. So as I said, you start with just down, down, up, down, but you can do that fast. All right, down, up, down, real fast. And then you're gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down. Sorry, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Okay, then A, you're just gonna do a single strum. All right, but it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Just that down, down, up, down, up, okay? So, and then when you get into the verse, this is where you're gonna need to pay attention a little bit, okay? So you're gonna start with just like, you're gonna be doing that same down, down, up, down, up, down. So, I've always wanted what I can't have, okay? I'm not gonna go through the whole melody thing, because there's a lot of this that you don't need to. My arm is gonna get really tired if I do that for the whole thing, okay? So you're gonna do A, you're gonna be doing down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, okay? I've always wanted what I can't have, and I've been making it a note to feel, okay? So when you're gonna be just playing A from I've always wanted what I can't have, and I've been making it a note to feel what's left. And then, okay, so this part you're gonna do feel, and you're just gonna do, you could do the same strumming, or you can just do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Just over and over, and just keep going. Okay, to feel, put my shoulder to the wheel. Okay, so when you do shoulder to the wheel, you're gonna do down, up, down, down, okay? 4 down, down, downs, okay? Down, down. Sorry, that's 3 downs, okay? 3 downs, and then you're gonna go to E. But for the E, and if you don't do this right, your arm will get super tired, but you're actually just supposed to do, so just do one big loud strum. Everything about me used to have a mind of its own. I've got what's left of me. Okay, so then after you do that E, you just do that single strum, and do everything about me used to have a mind of its own. Then you're gonna go to A again. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so you're just gonna do that A again. I've got what's left of me, some positivity, and no more waiting on a dial tone. Because, okay, so at the end of because, you're gonna do C sharp, because I've loved, and this is a weird part to sing, because on the album he sings it like, it gets really quiet right here. So anyway, I mean, you can sing it however you want, but it's because I've a C sharp, I've loved and lost a cause, and that's as B, okay? That's enough to never let you forget me. Okay, so just like that. And again, you can do the down, down, up, down, up, down, up, or you can do the, all right, you can do either one of those. But then when you get to the chorus, here's how it goes. It's A, We've been gone for too long. See, that's that same down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? We've been gone, so you do A on weave. We've been gone for too long. All right, long, at the end of long, you're gonna do E. All right, so we've been gone for too long to see. All right, right after long, to see this happen again. So you're doing down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. So when you go to the C sharp and the B, you're just doing down, 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 up. All right, and then go back to A. So we've been gone for too long. Okay, after long you do E. Long to see this happen. Okay, happen to C sharp. Happen. Then at the beginning of again, like real quick, you're gonna go to B again. Okay, then again, and then on then you're gonna do A. Then again, you're too gone. Okay, right after gone, you're gonna do E. Gone to say that's not. Now you can do two things here. I think it's more correct if you just play C sharp. All right. So let's see, you're gonna be you're too gone to say that's not what you meant. Okay, so you could just do C sharp on that's not. To say that's not what you meant, or you can do not what you meant and go do the B again. That's just if you're having a hard time like memorizing it, you want to like stay like kind of do the repetition of it. But it goes A, E, C sharp minor, sorry, C sharp, B first time. The second time it just goes A, E, C sharp. All right, so it's then again, you're too gone to say that's not what you meant. See how I skipped the B on that second one? So the second time through, you don't have to do the B, all right? All right, so that's not what you meant. Then you do A again for you're crying, but you do it before your, all right? You're crying, okay, then I'm is E. I'm not trying, so you're gonna do trying, down, up, down, all right? C sharp, B, C sharp, B, all right? Trying, and then you go to A. Won't let this life get so critical, so critical. Down, down, up, down. Okay, so you're gonna do A, you do A, E, C sharp, B, A, E, C sharp, A, E, C sharp, B, A, E, C sharp, B. Okay, so there's only one time you skip the B. And again, you can add that in if you want to. So you could just make it just for consistency's sake. So I'm gonna walk you through the chorus one time, okay? So it's we've been gone for too long. Okay, remember E? We've been gone for too long to see this happen again. Then again, you're too gone to say that's not what you want. You're crying, I'm not trying. Won't let this life get so critical. Okay, then you go right into the second verse. So you go to A. Remember the time you asked to let me let go? Okay. So anyway, so that's how you do it. So the strumming for that, remember, is for the chorus down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, out. Okay, so you just do it like that. All right, and then you're gonna do that throughout. Now, when we go, the second verse is the same as the first one. The next chorus is the same. So for the bridge here, you're just gonna do. All right, A is on I'm like a lost boy in a city, not wanting. So city is E. Okay, city is E. City, not wanting. Wanting is B. So you do A, E, B here. Okay, wanting to be found. Then you go back to A after found. Everything is a sight to see until you come back. Until is E. Till you come back around. All right, and then after around you do B when they do like the echoing part, like you come back around, and A, and you repeat it. Okay, so you just do the same thing. Now, what we're gonna do next though is when you go to that next chorus, you're just gonna do single strums. We've been gone for too long. Okay, long is E. To see this happen again. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna skip the C sharp throughout this whole chorus where you're just doing the single strums until the last line. So it's A, we've been gone for too long to see this happen again. So happen is B, happen again. Then A, then again. You're too gone to say that's not is B, not what you meant. You're crying, I'm not trying. See, I'm just skipping the C sharp. Trying. A, I won't let this life get so critical. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up. Alright, and then you're gonna go into the solo, which is you're just gonna play A, E, C sharp, B over the whole time. And then you just play the chorus, the last two lines of the chorus one more time. You'll just end it on A. And that's how you play the song, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.